Here are some potential uses and benefits of dates and almonds combined. 1. Snack. The combination of dates and almonds makes for a quick and healthy snack that can provide a quick energy boost between meals. 2. Baked goods. Dates and almond can be used as ingredients for baking cakes, cookies, bread, and other baked goods. 3. Smoothies and juices. The combination of dates and almonds can be used to add fiber, protein, and flavor to smoothies and juices. 4. Breakfast. Adding dates and almonds to oatmeal, granola, or yogurt can make for a tasty and nutritious breakfast. 5. Health benefits. Dates and almonds are both packed with nutrients and antioxidants, and consuming them together can support heart health, digestion, and brain function. 6. Desserts. Dates and almonds can be combined to make desserts such as energy balls, fudge, and truffles. 7. Vegan and gluten-free recipes. Dates and almonds are popular ingredients in vegan and gluten-free recipes due to their versatility and nutritional values. 8. For good sleep. It's a principle that seems so simple it can't possibly work, but a leading sleep expert says eating almonds and dates combined when you wake up could be all it takes to help you sleep better and slim down. Providing the right balance of protein, fat and carbohydrate when you wake in the morning, it is the perfect combination to kickstart the day, especially for those who can't face breakfast, according to Dr. Narina Ramalakan, sleep expert for bed specialists Silent Night. Almonds and dates offers around 150-200 calories and will fire up your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, stop you reaching for the coffee and help your body produce vital melatonin later in the evening to help you sleep.